Have you ever wanted to connect your LinkedIn account with Claude AI? If yes, this quick guide will show you the simple method. Before you start, make sure you have access to both LinkedIn and Claude AI. You should also be signed into your accounts. First, open Claude AI. Go to the Claude website and sign into your account. Once you are inside, look for the Settings or Integrations section. This is where Claude lets you connect with other services. Next, look for LinkedIn. If LinkedIn is available as an integration, select it. You should then see an option to connect your account. Click on it. You may be redirected to LinkedIn. This is normal. LinkedIn will ask you to sign in if you are not already logged in. After that, you may see a permissions screen. Take a moment to review the permissions. If everything looks good, approve the connection. Once approved, you should be redirected back to Claude. Now, check your Claude settings again. LinkedIn should show as connected. That means Claude can use the LinkedIn features or information allowed by the connection. But there is one important thing to remember. The exact options can change. Claude and LinkedIn may update their integrations over time, so your screen might look slightly different from what you see in this video. If you don't see LinkedIn, don't panic. Check for updates. Look under Integrations, Connected Apps, or Account Settings. You can also check whether the feature is available for your Claude plan or region.